She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
I wanna turn my phone off, but that's where all my friends are. What do? Why is it so hard to find someone new so far away? All the days that I used to have someone right beside me, now I can find in my phone screen. It's tiring, just wanna feel something. Lonely nights talking the pixels. I don't go out, don't intermix with the crowd, and I wonder why I'm sitting all alone, staring at my phone. Oh, I just want a connection. Is that so hard to ask for? I just want something that's real, that's alive. Don't want no white noise on the other line. I just want a connection. Is that so?
4 years ago. Okay? So, lahat ng yan will be further discussed later sa ating breakout sessions for each department. Okay?
Wag kang matakot, dahil ang buhay mo'y wala na tamang sama.
Hi everyone. Your camera is so nice. What's your thoughts? Thoughts ko matulog. Ang ganda ng building, guys. What do I say? Hi everyone. I'm Ange. We're in De La Salle University. Yuchenko Hall. And it is currently 10:59. I'm fulfilling my vlogger. So right now we're in breakout sessions and all of us are in College of Science. So my course here in La Salle pala is Med Bio. What about you? My course is Hum Bio. Hum Bio as well.
Last year, we only have 2 sections of human bio. Oo, tapos yung last, medyo mas malaki po yung section during the pandemic. 6 or 7, and the other one is, I think,
Hi! We're in Ateneo. UST. We're in
Isama mo yun, tapos i-blur mo yung ano. I-blur mo.
I-ano mo yung Ito, ang ganda ng campus.
Yeah, the campus is
Architecture is cute.
The campus is really nice. It's a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
So, for the future Lasallians. There.
May promo. We're doing our graduation results, guys. Tapos sabi nila, pwede daw tanggalin yung toga if naiinit na. Kaya minsan lang ako mag-toga, so I did it. Wow! May Uy! So cool. Cute. Nilalagay ko na nga lahat ng pins. May nawawala yung PMCP. Meron pa ako. 10. Hanapin ko muna. Let's go timelines.
What should I say? Hi channel, welcome to the YouTubers. TikTok, you just follow me sa TikTok, Jag Kawili. I share fitness content there.
Thanks, sir!
Where's the picture? Sa good page na.
Okay, sir. Thank you! Hi, everyone! Maganda naman ako. Ulit. Hindi ko tayo kakat. Uy! Look! Our fellow UPMer! UPMer!
Hi mga ka-UPMers.
Hi, Arian! How's the practice so far?
Okay naman.
Yeah.
Pero ang tagal bago mag-step.
Yeah, true. We have 6 minutes left. It's a timer. Okay, may timer, guys. Just put us 100 and then. Uy, hindi ko natutuloy. Look at our nails. Nails. From ready.
Hindi ko makakatin ka. Hindi ko masasama yung sabi ko kasi may boss may Cassandra.
From ready. Me too. What's na yung grad craft? We're in Marulame right now. Yes. And we're with our friends. Wait. Rio. And
And our other friends are there. Ay, i-rate daw ni Seth yung yung nails natin. First, without the prices. Tapos, next competition is which one is the most reasonable.
Okay.
Smartest.
Okay na yung kayo to. Patingin kayo.
Patingin ng kaibigan.
Let me see.
Tapos, chine-check niya daw yung details.
Kasama na yung like good price.
Alam mo na yung price namin?
Sa kanya.
Sa'yo, magkano price
Ulit.
niya?
1,560.
800.
Dude, yours is the worst.
Well, because pinagawa to sa salon talaga.
In terms of quality, I'd say Rios is the best. Look at the lines. The lines are not.
No,
This is the aesthetic, but
this
it's
is
too
on
expensive.
purpose.
No.
This is on purpose. It's not supposed to be straight.
I don't like it.
It's supposed
I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. The shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell, take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you out
We're done
now?
with hair and makeup. We're on the way to Studio A. So may after party kasi after the seniors ball. And I'm gonna leave my stuff muna there para later. Doon na lang kami didiretso and then mag-BBS. So I'm done with my makeup and my hair. And these are my nails. Okay, so my gown is parang yellow na gold. Ganon. In between. You're gonna see that later. That's why may gold sa nails ko. Pero may blue din kasi I tried to consider my graduation toga. Umuulan. Oh my God. Ang lakas ng ulan. Pero I'm so excited. I'm so excited to take pictures, cute pictures. Isasama ko kayo when I get there. So I'll film there. We arrived na! We're here! Yeah, let's go! Let's go!
Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you. And I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games.
What's that, Cassie?
single. Kasi they're all doing like parts and I love
And
it.
this is the second one.
But I'm a strong, independent woman, so I can do it on my own, guys.
Right.
Pati-picture kayo sa vlog ni Chloe.
We're eating na, so I got a kebab, this pasta, chicken, this is fish fillet, caldereta somewhere here, and I forgot the other one. But yeah, we also have lemonade and then water, and then this desserts. Marami pang flavors out there, pero that's what I got muna. Kain with me. Okay guys, so I'm gonna taste test the dessert here. I love red velvet, but I don't like lychee. So I guess that's something. Oh, it's better for me because some people out here don't like ube and they're gonna discriminate against my ube. I don't like ube.
She's a Mona Lisa.